Today we're making a cozy vegan quiche. Savory, satisfying, and packed with plant-powered goodness. You'll need a frozen pie crust, firm tofu, spinach, and diced yellow onion. You'll also need minced garlic, cherry tomatoes, nutritional yeast, turmeric, and a bit of olive oil. Warm a little olive oil, then saute your onion and garlic until soft. Add the spinach and let it wilt. This brings out the flavor before everything goes into the filling. In a bowl, mix your tofu with nutritional yeast, turmeric, and olive oil. This creates that silky, egg-free quiche base. Spread the tofu mixture into your pie crust. Add your sautéed veggies on top, then finish with a few cherry tomatoes for color. That's a beautiful quiche. Cozy, colorful, and packed with flavor. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.